Let's make Laab Lao beef salad. This is also shared and made within the Thai, Hmong, Mien, Lahu, Laven, Eteen, Tai Dam, Tai Lue, Khmu, and the Lao Yaw culture. This is the national dish of Laos and originated from Laos. Wow, look at that. First, wash and rinse your veggies and herbs. You're going to need some bean sprouts, long green beans, mint, lime, Asian eggplant, chili pepper, lemongrass, cilantro, scallions, Kaffir lime leaves, galangal, and any kind of leaf lettuce. Once everything is washed, strain and set aside for later use. Next, bring a pot of water to a boil and boil your tripe for 16 minutes and your gizzards for 30 minutes with 5 to 6 Kaffir lime leaves and 1 lemongrass stalk. Once complete, remove from broth, shut off the heat, and let this rest. Set aside for later use. Next, grill your choice of protein or any kind of cut of beef. Today I'm using 1 pound and 9 ounces of beef eye round roast. Grilling time will vary on how well and doneness you want your meat to be. Be sure to flip it halfway through. Once you get a nice crust or char, remove this off the grill and let this rest. While that is resting, cut your herbs and veggies. First, chop off the bottom ends of lemongrass stalk. Next, remove the first dead outer shell layer. Save this to use for soup dishes. We want something clean like this. Next, thinly sliced lemongrass, followed by mincing them down as much as possible. Next, do the same with the Kaffir lime leaves. I like to stack the leaves on top of each other and then roll them up to slice them, followed by mincing them down finely. We want something like this. Next, mince cilantro, chop scallions, pluck mint leaves. Mince galangal, remove stem from the Asian eggplant, thinly slice shallots, and slice cucumber. Once complete, set aside for later use. Now that our meat is well rested, slice beef against the grain. Once complete, cut them down to smaller pieces. And lastly, chop them down to mint-sized pieces. In Lao, this method is called Tsp. Once complete, we want something like this. Next, transfer your minced meat onto a large platter or to a large bowl. Here's all the ingredients you're going to need. A half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of toasted rice powder, kaukua. 1/4 a cup of fish sauce. 1/4 a cup plus 1 teaspoon of fermented fish sauce Padaek. 3 tablespoons of lime juice, and your desired amount of chili powder. First, add fermented fish sauce Padaek, followed by fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon plus 1/4 a teaspoon of MSG. Mix and combine well. Next, add chili powder, minced lemongrass, minced galangal, and minced Kaffir lime leaves. Once again, mix and combine well. What makes Laab so special is that it has tons and tons of layer of flavors and depth of flavors. Next, add minced cilantro, chopped scallions, and sliced shallots. Because these are fresh herbs, we want to gently toss and combine everything in well, as they are more delicate. Next, add in toasted rice powder, kaukua. Once again, mix and combine well. Next, add thinly sliced beef tripe and thinly sliced gizzard. Gently mix, toss, and combine in well. We want something like this. Lastly, top off with mint leaves. Pair up with sliced cucumber, Asian eggplants, leaf lettuce, bean sprout, chili peppers, and long green beans. Enjoy this by itself, as a beef salad wrap, with jasmine rice, or sticky rice. Traditionally, this is served with beef innard soup called Galangal, which I have a recipe video tutorial on my YouTube channel for that as well. Just scroll down to how to make Galangal Lao beef innard soup. This is also authentically made in rare form called Laab Lao beef tartar, which also has beef bile B and pia, bitter beef gastric juice, which I also have a recipe tutorial on as well. For Lao people, when we sacrifice an animal, nothing ever goes to waste. Every part is used. Laab is the national dish of Laos next to papaya salad. This also originated from Laos. Here in the States, you won't find this version that I made often at mainstream restaurants. They would leave a lot of the beef innards out to keep the foreigners happy. I'm Chef Harris Pianavong. Don't forget to hit that follow button to enjoy over 200 and plus recipes. Save this recipe video for later and tag a friend who you want to make Laab Lao beef salad with. Wow, look at that.
อย่าลืมเบิ่งน้ำสองสีน้ำใจแสนดีต่อกัน